All right, here we go. And finished with today's project. Brand new Happier Camper. Ceramic coated. It's my brand new 5-year, yes, 5-year warranty, people. Everybody, it's Luke here, back again. Thanks for joining me. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Luke Hagen. I own Hagen Surface Protection in Santa Cruz, California. Detailer, detailing autos, RVs, and boats. Paint correction, ceramic coatings, oxidation removal, all that good stuff. And as you can see, today's job, like I said, Happier Camper, 5-year warranted ceramic coating on this RV. You have warranted against weather-induced fading, chalkiness, or loss of gloss. Have warranted against salt corrosion, which is super handy here in Santa Cruz since we're right next to the ocean. Acid rain, overspray, brake dust. So when you're pulling the trailer, if you get any damage from brake dust from your own car, you'd be protected against that. And insect damage, tar damage, sap damage, pretty much any environmental problems that were to get through the ceramic coating and damage the original finish underneath would be under warranty. So now this is going to be super duper easy to clean. Just going to have to rinse it off, and pretty much everything will just fall off with a quick rinse. Then I always recommend like just a real nice gentle rinseless wash or soap and water wash, but rinseless is the best, especially if you're using Owner's Pride Eco Wash, definitely my favorite. And then you can add some extra protection with a full line of Owner's Pride products available through Hagen Surface Protection at hagensurfaceprotection.com, or you can reach me, Luke, if you want any detailing work done. My phone number is 831-350-1010, or again, contact me through my website. That's hagensurfaceprotection.com. All right, see you in the next one. Thank you.